Hi everyone, welcome to this new review of the brand new Emma Nextgen Cooling mattress. I'm a massive fan of the brand. I've bought 3 of the premium mattresses and I was contacted by Emma who are telling me they are discontinuing my amazing mattress and would I review the new one. So I agreed, so I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the brand new replacement for my favourite premium mattress. Hi everyone, welcome to this new Emma mattress review. I have done multiple reviews of products on my channel, one of which is my review on the premium mattress. I am a very happy customer. I bought my premium mattress a few years ago and did an 18-month review on my channel and it's been well received by lots of people. I've also shared it many times on my Instagram, as I also bought another 2 for my son and my mother has one in the granny annex. So Emma reached out to me and asked me if I would be kind enough to review their new mattress. I ummed and ahed a little bit, but I said I would happily review it if I could be as honest as I like. So they have sent me the Next Generation Luxe Cooling mattress. The premium mattress, from what I can see, looks like it's been discontinued, which is a shame because I really love it. So this, if it's better, amazing. Let's see. So this is how it arrives in the post and I'm going to review it for you. Let's get it out of the packet. Let's see what it's like. But before we move on, do hit that subscribe button. I do lots of reviews on my channels, from floor cleaners to beds to obviously the mattress ones and lots of other things. So do hit that subscribe button. So let's get on with the review. So when it arrives to you, it will come in this big box. It wasn't too bad. This is only a small double. So if you're trying to get it up the stairs, I'd advise at least 2 people carrying up the stairs. This is how it comes, well packaged. There's handles on one side of it. So I'm going to get it out and let's see what it's like. Unwrap it. It's just really tightly shrink wrapped in this plastic. This size is fair. I'm going to be able to lift this myself onto a bed, but any bigger size, I would say definitely 2 people get an end each. So let's get it up on the bed and I'm going to unwrap it. You can actually hear the air coming out of it. Okay, all unravelled. It actually says that it takes 24 hours for it to get to its full shape. Now, I remember from my mattresses, it probably was about 3 or 4 hours, but it does say 24. And it did say when I read the website that it would come with a bit of a smell. It has got a bit of a smell. It just smells like new inside of plastic packaging. And it says it will wear off. I mean, I've got the windows open anyway because it's a really hot day. So I'm sure that will go. And it's never noticed, I've been bothered before. It does say if you want to, you can remove. There's a zip all the way around the top here. You can wash it if you want to, or sprinkle some little aromatherapy oil on it. It's fine. I think once you let it air and then put a sheet on it, it'll be absolutely fine. This new Emma mattress also comes with a 200 night trial, so you can try it, sleep on it in your own home, up to 200 nights. That starts from the day of delivery. If you don't like it, you can return it, and it says on the website you can return it free of cost. It also has a 10-year guarantee, which is a really, really long time. So up to 10 years for a guarantee is really good. If anything goes, it does say on the website you've got a guarantee. This has also won awards as well, this new one. Apparently it was awarded the best buy for a double mattress by the Consumers Association in April 2024. And the Emma Luxe Cooling mattress has also received an Ideal Home Approved award. The thing it says you should do is rotate your mattress every 3 months. I've never done that. And apparently that's why it's got these handles, so it's easy for you to turn it round every 3 months. So it says you can do that, but I've never done that, and I would not want to now, because we're probably about 2.5 years in, sleep on the side my husband's been sleeping on, because I'm sure it may not be dead level. Maybe I should have done that, but just heads up, it does say do that. So maybe if you start doing that from scratch, it would be better. It's already puffing up. It's dipping down there, as you can see. But this is filling up quite nicely already. And I have done this a couple of times on my mattress, probably only every 9 months. It's got this zip and you can actually remove this entire cover and put it in the wash. I've done that, air dried it, didn't put it in the tumble dryer, and it fitted on absolutely fine. And it's just really good to be able to wash this outside a bit, because they can get dusty, I think, and they're difficult to hoover. So I washed it on a warm wash, not hot, and let it dry, and it was absolutely fine. It's really easy to get on because the zip goes all the way round, so you can easily do that. Once at the top, let's have a look at all the different layers that makes up this mattress. So this is what we have here. So you have the layers at the top. I'm going to put some images on the screen so you can see. So you've got all these layers at the top, and then you've got this whole area which is all the springs. So it's designed, this new technology, it says that if you get hot, this new technology, all of this will basically make you cool. You won't overheat when it's hot, and it will keep you warm when it's cold. So we will see, but this looks very different to mine, I have to say. So it does look like the air would circulate a little bit more. So maybe if you are someone that gets very hot at night and are looking for something, maybe this would be good for you. My mattress is cooling. This is supposedly an upgrade, so we will see, but this is what the inside of it looks like. I'm going to have a lie on it and let you know if I can feel these springs. This definitely does look, I have to say, like a more breathable fabric around the edge. So I can see how this differs from my mattress. Lying on it, it feels pretty much the same. It's just super comfortable. There isn't very much bounce. And the thing we like about Emma mattresses, the one we've got, is that if my husband turns over in the night, he doesn't wake me up. Now, mattresses we had before, he did, but he doesn't anymore. So that's a plus. If you don't want to notice your other half moving about on the bed while you're sleeping, these are good for that. So other than that, the difference really, I think, will be in sleeping on it overnight. We are having a heat wave in the UK at the moment, so I'm going to let you know what it's like. I'm going to sleep on this mattress tonight, and I'll let you know in the morning if it's any different. But let me show you the pillows. The box, it's currently very slowly, you can just about see, puffing up. Now it's got, I've just noticed, a real thick zip around here, which I really like. So it's got a super thick cover on the inside. So looking at it, it's a great big thick mound of foam, and then there's another bit of foam and another bit of foam. So there's 3 different sorts. So it's slowly puffing up. So I'm going to leave it for a little while, what it's like. Another plus with this pillow that it says, I've had a little bit of a read up of the instructions, you can actually take out the liners. So there's 3 different sections. If it's too much for you, you can take one out, which I think is good, because I think everybody has different setups with their pillows. Some people have 1, 2, 3, so you can adjust that. The cover is also, like the mattress, completely washable. Again, I would take this off, wash it on a cool wash, and let it dry by itself. I would never tumble dry these personally. Just let it dry and you can put it back on, so that's good as well. And the technology on it, it says that when you lie on it, if you previously suffer and you get too hot, this will keep you cool and you shouldn't overheat. So again, if you suffer with being too hot at night, they've obviously seen that's an issue for people and they've incorporated it into this. So it's still puffing up at the moment, but I am interested to see how fat it gets. But the fact you can take bits out, it's not fixed. Lily actually has a memory foam pillow that I bought. It was really cheap. I think I might have got it, I can't remember where I got it from, but it's like one big lump of foam, and it's all right now because she's had it for ages, but it was a little bit too big at the start. So this is great, so you can take the pieces out. So what I'm going to do is I am going to sleep on this tonight, and then I'll let you know what it's like in the morning. So it's actually 6 weeks later. We've been trying this mattress. My son has slept on it for that whole time, and I'm going to let you know what we think. So this is the replacement to my beloved premium mattress. They are discontinuing. So when they contacted me to say, we're going to be discontinuing your mattress, would you try the new one for me? I said absolutely, and I'm glad I did, because we're just about to start a renovation in our spare room, and I have a really cheap mattress on my old king size bed, and I'm going to be changing it for a double, so I will be buying one of these for my guests. It is as good, if not slightly better, than my beloved premium mattress that I have. They have obviously upgraded it. If you like the premium, this is medium to firm. This basically just has the added advantage of having the coils underneath the springs, so it makes it a little bit more breathable. With regards to the pillow, my husband's tried that out. I haven't, because I love my pillows. If you follow on Instagram, you know I love my pillows. However, my husband was desperate for a new pillow. He's tried this and it actually has transformed his life. He actually took one of the layers out. There's a dark grey one. He took that out because it was too thick for him, and now he loves it with the 2 layers in. So I love that flexibility. You can take it out. He used to have 2 pillows, so he now has one of these inserts taken out and absolutely loves it. So if you are looking for something that's very cooling, washable cover and fully adjustable, this is really good. With regards to the mattress, my son has been trying it out. He has got a premium, so we did actually do a bit of a switch over with the mattresses, and actually said he did think it was a little bit cooler. He is quite a sweaty child. He sweated a lot and he said it did feel cooler. However, when he slept on it, he thought it felt exactly like his premium. So that's good to know from me, because I was a little bit worried when they said they're discontinuing the premium. This would be completely different. It's not. It's as good, and then it has the added bonus. If you're a hot sleeper, this will keep you a little bit cooler. So I think these mattresses are really good if you're living in a tight space or a flat, because they come in the box. Downside was I didn't get the little cutter, it just wasn't in the box. There is a QR code at the top you can scan, it will tell you a little bit more about the mattress, but I didn't get the little cutter. But feedback I've seen online is these can break anyway, so I just use scissors. So I would say I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. My premium is also a 9 out of 10. So this is a very good replacement. I'm relieved, because when I want to replace my mattress, I know now when I buy this one, it will be as good. So I hope you found this review helpful. The good thing with these mattresses, if you buy it and don't like it, you've got up to 200 days to send it back, and the 200 days starts from the day it is delivered. So if you do try it and don't like it, you can send it back. This mattress is definitely good for side sleepers. Most mattresses are designed for side sleepers, as opposed to front sleepers. So side and back, if you sleep on your front, you may not like it, as it'll be quite hard. So do bear that in mind. This is medium firm. So I can't really say much more about it, but I'm a big fan of the brand. I've bought 3 mattresses, and I will link the information of this exact mattress in the description box. So do check out the other reviews on my channel. I've got lots of fantastic product reviews from loads of fantastic companies. And I want to thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on the next video.